Okay, here we go.
We're ready now.
Well, you're already live, so just go.
Good evening. Here we go. 1, 2, or 1. Well, she's in some honky tonk tonight, I know. She's out there where the music's loud and lights are low. For in a crowded bar she likes to hang around. But as long as there's a honky tonk, she'll never settle down. So close up the honky tonks, lock all the doors. Don't let the one I love go there anymore. Close up the honky tonks, throw away the key. Maybe the one I love will come back to me. Kurt. Save the good parts. Well, I wish I had the power to turn back the time and live again the hours when she was all mine. For it hurts to see her running with that crowd downtown. And as long as there's a honky tonk, she'll never settle down. Close up the honky tonks, lock all the doors. Don't let the one I love go there anymore. Close up the honky tonks, throw away the key. Maybe the one I love will come back to me. Maybe the one I love will come back to me. All right.
Bob, that's mighty fine. That was a fun song. Close up the honky tonks. A lot of them have closed up.
I think about Graham Parsons when I sing that song.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Yeah, great version of it.
Of course. So Paul Marshall is off this week. And, of course, Bob, he's as much of the Wild Country Band as any one of us here. And called him, and he wasn't working, and said, man, yeah, let's play. So good to see you, buddy. Sounding great. Dan Hughart, appreciate you playing drums.
I'm just glad to be here to see Kurt's new shirt.
Well, I like your shirt too, though. Let me look at Kurt's new shirt. What do we got?
Yes.
Oh, it's a Levi looking thing. Oh, that's slick.
No, it's so cute.
No, I like that. I got to get one of those.
Me too.
What size is that?
Large.
I'm getting crazy ideas. Maybe I can steal it. So Kurt Fries is sitting in for, what's that guy's name that works with me most of the time? Gary Swan. And all great guys. I've known all these guys, 50 years at least, 45, 40.
Before I was
50.
born.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, right. You wish. Anyway, hit us with something.
No comments from the peanut
Now,
gallery.
we got Deanna White with us tonight,
Yeah.
and she brought a mandolin and a guitar.
Wow. She's
So
going to play
we're
both at the
gonna get
same
her-
time?
I've got Chuck Harter here. We got Roy. And there's this new kid in town. He's brand new, just learning. Guy named Mark. And I understand this is kind of like your first time out, right? Well, I want to thank you for coming up. Anyway, I met this guy. I thought I knew him when I first met him. I thought I knew him, but we can't seem to remember when, if we had met earlier. But anyway, it's good to have you. And we're probably going to call you up and let you do something, It'll be fun. Okay. So go ahead and hit us there.
Okay, we're going to do Charlie Rich, Mohair Sam.
What key,
Okay, cool. We're in F.
What key?
F.
F's a good key.
It is, especially for guitar. 2, 3, 4. Cool with the hippies happening all over our town. Carrying up the chicks with a message that he lays down. Who is the coolest guy that is what I am? It's having fast, talking slow, walking good, looking mohair Sam. Chicks are making reservations for his loving so fine. Screaming and a fainting, he's got them all waiting in line. Who is the coolest guy that is for them? It's that fast talking, slow walking, good looking mohair Sam. Play it. Chicks are making reservations for your loving so fine. Screaming and a fainting, you scare them all waiting in line. Who is the coolest guy that is what am? It's that fast talking, slow walking, good looking mohair Sam. Play it, Kurt. Okay. Those chicks are making reservations for his loving so fine. Oh, yeah, screaming and a fainting. Ow! He's got them all waiting in line. Who is the coolest guy that is wanted? It's that fast talking, slow walking, good looking mohair Sam. Yeah, it's that fast talking, slow walking, good looking mohair Sam. Oh, one more time.
So I heard something funny today, and I just I want to share it with the band. This Italian fellow was walking down the street carrying 2 big watermelons, and this guy says to him, he says, "Hey buddy, do you know what time it is?" Italian guy looks at him, and he slowly slides one down his leg and gets it on the ground, and takes the other one, puts it down, and he throws his hand up and he says, "No." Okay, there, I told you a joke.
That's it, huh? All right.
All right, Bob, you want to go back to Filter Lou?
Yeah.
What do you got?
Let's do Ramblin' Fever.
I love that song.
Yeah.
Wish I knew it better. What key you in?
G.
G. Who doesn't do it in G?
Don't know.
G.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, My hat don't hang on the same nail too long. My ears can't stand to hear that same old song. I don't leave the highway long enough to bog down in the mud. I got rambling fever in my blood. I caught this rambling fever long ago when I first heard a lonesome whistle blow. If anyone ever said I gave a damn, the damn sure told you wrong. I've had rambling fever all along. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Well, there's times I like to bed down on the sofa and let some pretty lady rub my back. Spend the early morning drinking coffee and talking about when I'll be coming back. Well, I don't let no woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. Gonna die along the highway right away like some old high-line pole. This restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Carmine. Well, there's times I like to bed down on the sofa and let some pretty lady rub my back. Spend the early morning drinking coffee and talking about when I'll be coming back. Well, I don't let no woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. I'm gonna die on the highway right away like some old high-line pole. A restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't a cure for my disease. Talk. Now we're grooving. All right.
Roy, come on up. We're gonna get I got like a bunch of people here that we gotta like run through. If we go a little over, we will, but I don't know if that works for my daughter sometimes. She's gotta get back to the babysitter. And Roy's gonna use my mic, so I'll shut up for a while.
Let me know what we're doing, Roy, because I'm the bass player.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna do,
Good. That's, I know that one.
What key
Good.
do that again in?
Hey, right?
A.
Okay, let's do it. Plug it in.
Well, at least that's what Carl Perkins said.
Yeah. That's what we did yesterday.
Hey, sit here one. Nice box, hold my clothes.
Y'all are so cute. Kind of a joke between, you know, the dead snakes.
Okay. Well, I'm sitting here wondering would a matchbox hold my clothes? Oh man, I'm sitting here wondering would a matchbox hold my clothes? Well, I ain't got no matches, but I got a long way to go. Well, I'm just a poor boy, long way from home. Well, I'm just a poor boy, long, long way from my home. Well, I'll never be happy. Everything I do is wrong. Well, let me be your little dog, tell your big dog come. Oh, baby, let me be your little dog, tell your big dog come. And when that big dog come, we'll show him what that little puppy done. Well, if you don't like my peaches, baby, don't go shaking my tree. If you don't like my peaches, baby, don't go shaking my tree. If there's shaking going on, it'll be done by me. Well, I'm sitting here wondering what that's my toe, my clothes. Oh man, I'm sitting here wondering what a matchbox hold my clothes. Well, I ain't got no matches, got a long way to go. Oh well, I ain't got no matches, I got a long way to go. Carmine, I'm just gonna hit his
Is that your chord?
That's my chord. I'm just going to leave it in.
How about a hand for Roy? Roy's kind of family around here because he goes way back with Paul, and I met him so many years ago, and he's just an all-around good guy, and so we love you, Roy. All right, we'll do a couple, and then we'll get Chuck up, I guess, in a little bit. You want to come up now, everyone? Come on up now. We'll get these guys. He's got to come up. A lot of times, you know, people get up and they'll do like a couple of songs because they were nice enough to drive all the way up. You're using this one here. This one you're going to use. And, but I got so many people today, we'd cut them down to one, so, you know, it's okay. But we're still having fun.
That's right.
You want to set the amp real quick?
Yeah. Kurt, you got a good joke to tell? There's time half kicking around.
Over there.
You got to say, Kurt, tell a joke. She wants you to.
What do you want?
Tell a joke. Why don't you?
Oh, if I had another one, I would.
Kurt's got a joke.
Yeah, so this Italian guy was walking down the street. He was carrying two watermelons.
Yeah. How big were they?
They were huge.
No, wait a minute. Kurt's got a good joke. I know he does.
No, he's ready to go now.
All right, Chuck.
Hang on.
Now this is Chuck's second time here. He come up last week and introduced himself, and we feel like we made a new friend around here. So Chuck, it's good to see you.
Thank you,
Absolutely.
Mr. Sir.
Yes. Don't need all that, but thank you.
All right. Hello, YouTubers watching this wonderful country show. I'd like to do one now and dedicate it to somebody I'm sure he'll remember, and it's the very wonderful Flying Burrito Brothers, who gave us Graham Parsons so many years ago and brought country rock into the void. And this is in the wonderful key of D, sir, and start like this. Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, heading down that ocean seaboard. I got my diesel wound up and she's a running like never before. Don't know the saddle right, don't know where I'm going tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Got a tip-up gear and a phone in overdrive. I'm taking little white pills and my eyes are open wide. I just had a Jimmy and Dwight, then I'm passing everything in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Take it, Carmine. Well, it's been about a month since I kissed my baby goodbye. I could have had a lot of women, but I'm not like some other guys. I could find one to hold me tight, but I could never make believe it's alright. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. ICC is a checking on down the line. I'm a little overweight and my logbook's way behind. Don't see a dummy in sight, don't see a Jimmy in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Take it, piano! My rig's a little old, but that don't mean she's slow. And my smoke bag's blowing, and it's blowing out the blackest coal. My hometown's coming inside. If you think I'm happy, you're right. 6 days on the road, and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road, and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road, and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you for coming up. I love that guitar. What year is that? Is that something new or what? Beautiful. Oh, no.
They're just good friends.
But that's a beautiful.
It is a beautiful
All
guitar.
right, check this.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you next time. And YouTubers, anybody watching this, you send this link to your friends. Let's build up more people watching the Country Corner on YouTube. Come on, come on, come on. Build, build, build. Brand, brand, brand. I'm Chuck Harter. Thank you.
Come on up, Deanna. Now you can just finish the show with us. Once you get here, you can just stay up and play.
Yeah.
You guys are a team. Do a bunch of stuff for us.
Do it.
Do whatever you want to do. Oh, hey. Mark, we're going to do a couple then. Hey, Mark, you want to get up? We're going to do a couple. We'll get you up. Not right now. In a couple of minutes. I'll call you. Sit back down. All right. Well, if you want to do one, we'll do it in a minute. Oh, there's always room.
Hello, Carmine's Country Corner.
Yeah, we're back here,
Hello,
aren't we?
everybody who's watching. I'm Deanna Amico White, and I'm just so grateful that Carmine is so generous to share his stage with me.
Well,
You know, you're just adorable. I love you. So we're going to do a little Emmylou Harris, a little 2 more bottles of wine. Let's do it.
2, 3, 4.
We came out west together with a common desire. The fever we had around us set the west coast on fire. 2 months later, got trouble in my mind. Oh, my baby moved out and left me behind. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight.
2 more bottles of wine.
That's right. 2 more bottles of wine.
Emmylou did such a,
Oh, I love Emmylou Harris. Oh my gosh. She's one of my favorites.
yep, great,
All
great singer.
right, so should we get that guy up and then I come back?
No, stay right here and do another one.
Okay, one more and then
No,
we're
do
gonna
whatever.
Rocky Top medley.
We'll do whatever you want. Stay the whole night. Just stay here.
All right,
Even when he
do,
gets up, just step off to
how
the side and
about-
play rhythm with us. You're not going to hurt anything.
Okay, let's go ahead and do. Can we do Blue Bayou and B
Yeah.
flat? Let's do Blue
What key?
Bayou. Let's bring it down a bit.
What key?
Boy flat. Boy for B and flat. I feel so bad I got a worried mind. I'm so lonesome all the time. Since I left my baby behind on Blue Bayou, I'm saving nickels, saving dimes. I'm working till the sun don't shine. I'm looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. I'm going back someday, come what may, to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine on Blue Bayou, where those fishing boats, where they sail afloat. If I could only see that familiar sunrise through sleepy eyes, how happy I'd be. I wanna see my baby again. I wanna be with some of my friends. Maybe I'll feel better again on Blue Bayou. I'm saving nickels, saving dimes. I'm working till the sun don't shine. I'm looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. Sing with me. I'm going back someday, come what may, to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine on Blue Bayou, where those fishing boats, where they sail afloat. If I could only see that familiar sunrise through sleepy eyes, how happy I'd be. Take it, Kurt. Oh, that boy of mine by my side, the silver moon and evening time. Oh, some sweet day I'm gonna take away this hurting inside. Well, I'll never be blue, my dreams come true on Blue Bayou. Thank you, lovely band mates. I love you guys so much. Thank you,
Blue Bayou. What a great song. Bob, do another one. Well, if you don't mind.
I don't mind at all.
You're watching Carmine's Country Corner. If you're watching on Facebook, push like and share it. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe and like it.
Yes.
Yeah, do everything. You know,
Leave a comment.
most of the people watching this show by now, they know what to do to help us promote it. But try to help us out. Like Chuck said, every little bit helps. You know, tell a friend, watch it, push the button. You know, what do we got, Bob?
Shake, rattle, and roll.
I love that song.
Indeed.
Mark, you want to play piano on it?
For all of you playing
No,
along.
not today. Okay, I'm not going to push you. You'll be back. Okay.
D for Deanna.
After D, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, get out of that bed, wash your face and hands. Well, get out of that bed, wash your face and hands. Get into the kitchen, make some noise with the pots and pans. Well, you wear those dresses, the sun comes shining through. Well, you wear those dresses, the sun comes shining through. I can't believe my eyes, all of this belongs to you. Well, shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. Well, you won't do nothing to save your doggone soul. CarmineSardo. Play it again, play it again. I'm like a one-eyed cat peeping in a seafood store. I'm like a one-eyed cat peeping in a seafood store. Well, I can look at you and tell you ain't no child no more. Well, shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. I said shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. Well, you won't do nothing to save your doggone soul. One more time, Norma. I'm over the hill, way down underneath.
Yeah.
I've been over the hill, way down underneath.
Yeah.
You make me roll my eyes, and then you make me grit my teeth. Whoa, shake, rattle, and roll. I said shake, rattle, and roll. Oh, shake, rattle, and roll. I said shake, rattle, and roll. Well, you won't do nothing to save your doggone soul. Shake, rattle, and roll.
Bob Gothar, you're kicking butt.
Rock and roll there. I don't know. That was pretty good. Sure, do whatever you want. Do it.
Kurt's gonna sing 2 songs, and then I'm gonna do one.
Oh, we're gonna do the Rocky Top thing. Okay. Oh, Rand? No.
Yeah.
love that.
There's time for it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't even know what time it is. I lost
What
track.
time are we at right now? Okay. Oh yeah. You should be fine. All right. So Kurt's gonna sing. First, you're gonna do "Roll Into My Sweet Baby's Arms." We're in G for George, and then we go to what's the next one? They call that Good Old
C.
Mountain Dew in G, and then we do
Rocky Top and C.
in C for
Yes.
Charlie. G, G, C if you want to play along, okay?
Yeah.
Y'all can play along.
You can sing along too, but don't screw up the words.
Have a little hoe down here.
Well, I ain't gonna work on no railroad. Hell, I ain't gonna work on no dang farm. As a matter of fact, ain't gonna work at all. Got me a woman working the boss man's yard. Well, roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Gonna lay around that shack till the mail train comes back. Just rolling in my sweet baby's arms. Now, Deanna, where were you last Saturday night when I was lying this hotel? You were out with Carmine painting the town. Wouldn't even go your daddy's bail. I'm rolling my sweet baby's arm. Rolling my sweet baby's arm. Gonna lay round the shack till the mail train comes back. But just rolling in my sweet baby's arm. Well, they call it that good old Mountain Dew. Yeah, they'll never refuse it or view. Oh, hush up my mug if you give me a jug of that good old Mountain Dew. You know, my brother Bill's got a still up the hill where he runs off a gallon or two or three. 'Cause it's in the sky, get so drunk they can't fly. Spun that good old Mountain Dew. Yeah, they call it that good old Mountain Dew. Well, and they'll refuse it or few. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew.
Do it, Kurt. Jackson so you get a nice solo in, or you want to do something else?
How much time we
How
got?
much time we got? 9 minutes.
9 minutes?
We got plenty of time.
Do Jackson, and then we'll let Bob close it.
Sounds good.
I didn't even do a song over there. I might do one.
Why don't you sing Susie's song?
Hey, you're so sweet.
Oh, I love Susie.
She's not here.
Here, no, it's
But she can go back and watch it.
I only sing that song when she's here.
yeah.
Well, why don't you do one and then we'll do the Jackson. Jackson has a nice big ending lesson. You do one, Carmine can sing a song. Carmine.
Carmine.
Talk. I'm gonna tune up.
All right, so if you guys need anything done here, Carmine's upholstery shop is awesome.
No,
Yeah. He does a really good job on everything.
I don't mix the upholstery.
Oh, he doesn't mix upholstery with, that's okay. But Carmine's Country Corner. So I'm a subscriber. I subscribed right away. I liked it. I've commented. So we love comments too. So feel free to tell us how wonderful we are, right?
So, where do you find a crankshaft?
Oh, there we go. Now we got.
I don't know.
In a Carmine.
What are you gonna
Cranks in a cup. I like that.
What are you gonna do, Carmine? What you singing?
I remember the year Clayton DeLay died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. They said he got religion at the end. I'm glad that he did. And Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero. I used to follow Clayton around. Now I often wondered why Clayton, he seemed so good to me. You know, he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Now my daddy said he drank a lot, but I could never understand. And I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause there ain't no money in it. It'll lead you to an early grave. Show us, Kurt. And I guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, picking out the lovesick blues. Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, picking out the lovesick blues. Now when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. and I'd give $100 if he could only see us now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went out in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big creatures and they know a lot more than I do. But it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died.
CarmineSardo, isn't he darling? He's so
Bob,
amazing.
close on. But no, let's do Jackson real quick, and then maybe that'll be it.
All right, let's do it. We're in C. All right. Want to count off? All right, yeah. You ready, Johnny?
I'm ready, June.
Oh,
We got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson. I'm going to mess around.
really?
Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. Look out, Jackson town.
Well, go on down to Jackson. Well, go ahead and wreck your hell. Go play your hand, you big talking man. Make a big fool of yourself. Yeah, go to Jackson. Go comb your hair.
Honey, I'm gonna snowball Jackson.
We'll see if I can.
When I breeze into that city, people gonna stoop and bow. All them women gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. I'm going to Jackson, turn loose of my coat. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson.
Well, goodbye, that's all she wrote. But they'll laugh at you in the Jackson. And all the dancing on a funny head. They'll lead you around town like a scalded hound, with your tail tucked between your legs. Yeah, I go to Jackson. You big talking man. And I'll be waiting in Jackson.
Well, we got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson, and that's a fact. Yeah, we're going to Jackson, ain't never coming back.
All right, Johnny, show me what you got. Anyway, CarmineSardo. Come on, let's give them some love. These guys are so amazing. All right, one more.
One more?
Yeah, why
You
not?
sure?
Why not? We're having a great time here at Carmine's Country. Go for it.
never coming back.
Ain't never coming back.
All right, thank you. God bless. Good night. We love you. Thanks for watching. Share your friends. Love you, Carmine.
How far over are we?
2 minutes now.
Can we do one more, Kimmy? You got to go, right? Huh? Yeah, okay, okay. Bob, close it out. Thanks for watching the show, Mark. Thanks for coming up and visiting with us. And next time you come, please come do something with us. Chuck, thank you so much. So we'll see you down the road. Roy, thank you. Of course, Dr. Kathy and my lovely daughter Kim. Deanna, thank you so much for coming out. And I love you too, darling. You're a doll. I want to thank Bob. Great job, of course, Dan. Thank you. Kurt Freeze, man, of course. Rock and roll. Love you, brother.
Crazy arms.
Okay. Let's do Crazy Arms.
1, 5, 1.
Then we're going home.
Oh, yeah, here we go. A 1, 2, a 1. Now blue ain't the word for the way that I feel. There's a storm brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream, I know that it's real. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. Though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. Come in, Carmine. So please take these treasured dreams I had for you and me, and take all the love I thought was mine. Someday these crazy arms will hold somebody new, and that's why I'm lonely all the time. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. Though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. And that's why I'm lonely all the time.